Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program for SATs, Grammar School, and Year 7 admission tests. Today, we will discuss rounding numbers and ordering numbers. These learning topics are the foundation syllabus of GCSE, Keys 3 and 4. So, it is also helpful for international students who plan to sit for GCSE in the future. International students can also compare their learning with that in England up to Year 6 with us. After this 52-week program, we will run a GCSE Maths program. If you are an international student, please do not miss it. If you are in Year 4 or 5, this is the best time to practice and prepare for the Year 7 admission test. At this stage, you already have some idea. However, we will refresh your memory and practice more today. Rounding a number involves presenting it in a simplified form while still maintaining its value as close as possible to the original. We do rounding based on the digit to its immediate right. If the digit to its right has a value of 5 or more, we round up. That is, we add 1 to the rounding place and turn all the digits next to it to 0. For example, round 58 to the nearest 10. Here we have 5 tens and 8 ones. Rounding place value is 5. We add 1 to 5 and turn 8 into 0. If the value is 4 or less, we round down. That is, we keep the same rounding place value and turn all the digits next to it to 0. The same rule applies to a bigger number. Example, round 13,582 to the nearest thousand. Here we have 3000 as rounding place value, and its right digit is 5. As the next digit is 5 or bigger, we will add 1 to the thousands position. When rounding is complete, we fill all the remaining positions with 0. Workout. Round off the number A to the nearest 10, 15, 63, and 96.
The tens value is 1, its immediate right digit is 5, so we add 1 to 1, so the rounded number is 20. Please try the rest.
B to the nearest 100, 1305, 1395, and 1344.
The hundreds value is 3, its immediate right value is 0, which is less than 5. So we keep 3 and turn all the digits next to 3 into 0. Please try the rest.
And C to the nearest 1000, 12,350, 12,440, and 12,650.
The thousands value is 2, its immediate right value is 3, which is less than 5, so we keep 2 and turn all the digits next to 2 into 0. Please try the rest.
Number line method. Practice question 1. Round 1750 to the nearest thousand. On a number line, we will determine whether it is closer to 1000 or 2000, and then we will use that value. We see 1750 is nearer to 2000, so the answer is 2000. Practice question 2. Round 1350 to the nearest thousand. Please try. If you struggle, please comment down below. Practice question 3. The average distance between the Earth and the Moon is approximately 384,400 kilometers, or 238,855 miles. Round off the distance to the nearest 10,000 in both kilometers and miles.
For kilometres, the 10,000's value is 8. Its immediate right digit is 4, which is less than 5, so we keep the 10,000's value as it is, and set all digits to the right to 0. Please try the miles one. If you struggle, please comment.
Practice question 4. According to ONS data, Med 2024 shows a population of 61,806,682 for England and Wales. Rounded to the nearest 100,000. Try this one, and if you need help, please comment down below. Decimal numbers rounding. A similar rule applies when we round off a decimal number. Practice question 5. Round 3.71 to the nearest whole number. Here we have 3 as a whole number. Its immediate following number is 7. So we round off the number to 4. Practice question 6. Round off 6.79 to 1 decimal place. Here, a 1 decimal place is 7. Whether we change 7 or not depends on the next number. As 9 is bigger than 4, we add an extra 1 to 7. So the rounded number is 6.8. Practice question 7. Round off 8.763 to 2 decimal places. Here, 2 decimal place value is 6, and its next digit is 3. Since 3 is less than 5, 4 or less, we do not change 6, so the answer is 8.76. After all the discussion, now we have a clear understanding of the number. Now we are able to identify which number is larger and which is smaller. Let's try some practice questions. Practice question 8. If the sign means greater than, and this sign means smaller than, and the two hands of this sign always face towards the bigger number, fill the boxes with the sign. A. 3 million something 90,000. B. XV something 100. Please try A. Let's do B. XV means 10 plus 5 or 15. So we put less than here. Practice question 9 for you. Order those numbers from smallest to largest. 9, 6, 7, 200, 8, 9,040, 350, 8,070, 6, 55, 78, and 7. First, group all the numbers with the fewest digits together. Then rearrange the number in each group. 9, 8, 6, 7, group 1. Then 67, 55, and 78 is group 2. 200 and 350 is group 3, and 9,040 and 8,070 is group 4. Now, rearrange each group. So, the answer is 6, 7, 8, 9, 55, 67, 78, 200, 350, 8,070, and 9,040. Practice question 10 for you. Order the numbers from largest to smallest. 51 LV 7000 XII negative 98 103.6 8 103.4 and negative 8. Please try. If you struggle, please comment down below. That's the end of Chapter 1 Learning from 11 Plus Maths Genius. You can expect 5 to 7 questions from Lecture 1 to Lecture 6 on learning topics. Next week, we will do a roundup video for Chapter 1 with mock questions. You will find the video under a 7-day course. Don't miss it or any of our weekly lectures, mock tests, and refreshing videos. Please subscribe and join us, and until then, be vigilant when you are outside, stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more. See you guys later. Bye.